Alright, so we're at a car meet in Lilbourne at a pub called the Head of Steam. Every so often they do a little car meet there. But yeah, man, today's video, what cars can you see? Let us know in the comments the names of the cars you can see. As much as I do love the classical cars, I can't really point out which one's which, but I do know some of the collections that's there. So yeah, ladies and gents, this is the BBC channel, standing for bad boy cars. As you can see there, the Minis there. We've got the Mini Cooper. We've got that little Toyota. We've got the Dodge. Is it the Vandal or something like that? So we got a nice collection of cars, man. We've got the Rolls Royce there. A couple Fiats, a couple Vauxhalls, old school Vauxhalls. Whee! That looks nice. Rolls Royce, parts in the Rolls Royce right now. Nice little bird's eye view of everything. The pub, the village, the cars. Pretty. Alright, so let's take a nice closer look at these cars now. Inside of the Rolls Royce, looking spectacular. Is it? Yeah. KR Beats. Slap that in. You know, it's still with that old smell as well.
It has, isn't it? Old level.
Right, so I'm showing you now the Dodge Vandal, aka Chill Wagon, aka Shag Wagon. I'm just joking. You know what? Loving the purple, loving the setting, loving the green. Then over here we've got the Mercedes, the drop top Mercedes. Dodge Vandal. Pretty. I'm thinking that's what it's called anyway. I'm sure that's what it's called. Now I'm showing you, what's that, the catering? I'm sure that's the catering. And then we got, I believe that could be a Jaguar. I know this is a Toyota. See, I'm probably not the best one to be showing you these classical cars, but anything modern, honestly, this is way for my age, but I do try to tend to know it. Never seen this bad boy in my life, but I sure would love to drive it. That looks nippy as ever. Free wheels. Don't think that's a Robin Reliant either. And then we've got the bad boy American car. It looks like a Dodge. I don't know if it's a Dodge. And then we've got this white car here, that white car on the right there. You've seen Rush Hour. Alright, are you lot taking in what I'm showing you right now? This is a piece of art. Look at it. Immaculate. Stunning vehicle. 3-door. Wow. Correct me if I'm wrong. That looks like an MG. I don't know if I'm right. I am sure that's an MG. I remember seeing those cars. So yeah, that wraps it up with today's video. Hope to see you lot again with the next set of cars that I'll be showing you lot soon. Hope you lot enjoyed seeing the stunning range of collections that people own. And feel free to check out this location. Cheap drinks and they do banging food. Once again, here's the location, and yeah, thank you for watching.